Hey guys, welcome back to today's video. We're going to be doing a slime review, and we wanted to do like a slime rodeo haul, but we're just putting all the slimes that we traded and bought through like the last month all in one video. So I hope you guys enjoy. Don't forget at the end of the video to leave a like and comment what you want to see next on our channel. Bye! I also want to mention that this video, the part 1 is Chloe's collection, part 2 will be my collection. Just wanted to put that in the video. Bye. Let's get on with the video. First up is Chloe's trade with slime jellies, and it's a really pretty clear glue slime, and it also came with like this little light up ball. I think we lost that, but it was like so cool to see that in the slime, and this is a really good thick clear glue slime, and it's a bit foggy because Chloe couldn't help but play with it. And yeah, I really like this slime, and they were super sweet, and we traded this slime. We gave slime jellies banana taffy, so bye. Hey guys, so this is Chloe's slime trade with Kitten Slime Store, and it is the dragon fruit drink from Starbucks, and it came with ice cubes and a green straw, which I don't know where the green straw is, but the ice cubes are like really big and they look really real and cool, and I love the like little black things in the slime. It makes it look really realistic, and it's a good base, like good clear glue base slime. So let's get on with the ASMR. Hey guys, so this was like a really fun trade that Chloe made, and it is Slime Rodeo Butter. This one we got from Slime Rodeo, and I forgot what we traded it for, but it's a really good slime, and I'm so sorry, like in the background of the ASMR, but we're dog sitting for like Chloe's parents, and the dogs really like their chew toys, and they like walking around on the floors, and it makes noises, so I'm so sorry about that. But this is a really good buttery foam slime. Chloe like could not stop playing with this one yesterday, so yeah, it's a really good slime. Thumbs up for the maker of the slime. Hey guys, so this was another slime trade from Dr. Slimes, and this was a really good slime, and I think it's called like purple. It's a really like nice foam bead slime, and it's like a cereal based slime. Hey guys, so this one is Baby Shark, and it's a really cute like slime. And whenever we got it, it was it had like you can mix it, so it had like blue like clay white glue based slime at the top, and then the bottom was clear, and it was so much fun to mix for Chloe. The only problem that I personally had with it was that it wasn't super stretchy, but it was still a good slime. And you can't really see in the video, but it came with cute little whale charms. And I'm sorry, my dog or Chloe's dog wants to play right now. So yeah, let's get into the ASMR. Hey guys, so the next slime is a really good slime. It's Starburst Foam Slime from Fuzzy Socks Club, or Fuzzy Socks Slime. And this is a really good slime, and it actually like smells really good. I don't know exactly what the smell is, but I loved it, and I loved the that it had microfoam beads, but it had like pops of color from like regular foam beads. So I thought that was really good, and it's a really nice crunchy slime, and I definitely recommend this one. So, yeah, guys, let's get into the ASMR. Hey, so the next slime is by Ig Slime, and it's a really good cereal milk slime, and it has a bunch of foam beads, and it's like, oh, it's a really good slime. Chloe's laughing at me recording this. And right before this recording, I just want to say that Chloe's dog attacked me. Chloe's dog Rose jumped on me to try and get to Chloe, and she was licking Chloe's face as I had her really long wagging tail in my face. So just wanted to put that out there. So yeah, that's what just happened to me. So bye guys. Oh, and I definitely recommend this slime, and Chloe couldn't stop playing with this slime. So yeah, bye guys. Okay, this one is from Macaroon Slime, and Chloe and I, like, all the rest of these slimes in the video are the ones that Chloe bought, and basically all the slimers that she bought from, I bought for, like, at least one slime from these people. Hi guys. So, yeah, Chloe's playing on The Sims right now, so I'm doing the voiceover for her. And this is a really good slime, and I want to show y'all guys after this clip what it was supposed to look like, because I feel like it was a good slime. It just wasn't what Chloe and I had expected. And it's a bit like moist, right, Chloe?
Oh, yeah.
Chloe and I both agree that it's like a bit like wet. It's still a good slime. It's just a bit liquidy and wet, and not what the picture looks like, but it's still a good slime. Bye. Hey guys, second time doing this voiceover because Rose decided to drag a bone across the floor. So, so, so this one is from Slimy Candies. It is mango fizz, something like that. I'm sorry, I forgot. And it was just, yeah, I'm sorry I forgot. But it's a really good slime. It's not as, like, I've seen better cloud slimes before, but it smells really good, which I got a similar one from Slimy Candies, and it wasn't as good as this one, so I don't really know what went wrong, but yeah. Also, these have like random foam beads. I don't know why, but there's like just random foam beads. So, bye guys. Hey guys, so this one is from Slimy Candy. It is it's another one from Slimy Candy, and it is Cookie Minister, and it's a really good slime. It feels like a butter slime, and it smells really good. It smells like the like mint chocolate chip ice cream that you can get. Yeah, so Chloe decided to be annoying in the middle of that. And I don't know what else really I want to say about this, but it's a really good slime, and I definitely recommend this slime. So, yeah, guys, let's get into the ASMR. Hey guys, so this is one that Chloe bought from Slime by Jacqueline. We had like really high hopes for the slime, and it is a really good slime, Twinkie Bread, and it smells so good. Like the smell is really strong, and it's very buttery and fluffy. I really like it. It kind of reminds me of our banana taffy, which Chloe and I came up with that idea before we even heard about Slime by Jacqueline, so don't come for us. I think ours, if you compare, I think ours is a bit stretchier, but I think that both of, like, Banana Taffy and Twinkie Bread are both, like, really good smelling slimes, and they're both stretchy and banana-y. I don't know if that made any sense, but they're both really good, and I definitely think that Twinkie Bread is a really good signature slime. So, yeah. Bye, guys. Hey guys, so this slime doesn't have a name because it was one of the extras that we got. Chloe and I, well, whenever we order the slimes, you could order 2 slimes and get 2 slimes free. So that's what we did. I got a slime and then Chloe got a slime, and Chloe and I each got the same free slime, and it's a really good smelling slime. It doesn't have a name, but I really like it and I think that it's a good slime. Hey guys, so this one is from Snoop Slimes, and it is called Magic Kingdom, and this one was sold at the Kauai Slime Convention, which was in Anaheim, so that's why it's, Disney themed. And it has really cute Mickey Mouse ear sprinkles, and I really like this slime, and it's one of the best cloud slimes that Chloe and I have ever felt before, so I definitely recommend this slime. Her cloud slimes are usually really good. So yeah, guys, let's get into the ASMR. Oh, also, you guys, this slime smells like sherbet, and it's a really good slime.
And
so
I'm wrestling my dog.
Bye. Hey guys, so the next slime is called Deck of Cards by Snoop Slimes, and it's a really good slime. I definitely recommend this. It came super clear and it had really cute little charms, but it is really foggy because Chloe and I couldn't stop playing with it, and I think we might have accidentally got some blue dye from Magic Kingdom into the clear glue slime. So yeah, Rose, get away from me. Sorry guys. But anyway, it's a really good slime, and it's non-scented, but it's still a good slime, and it's really fun to play with, and it's very thick and it makes really good crackling noises. So enjoy. So now these are Chloe's slimes that we have made, but Chloe wanted to keep because we made extra or more than we thought. That's what I mean by extra, and testers and stuff. So Chloe decided to keep Unicorn Cereal, which is a really good slime, and I definitely recommend getting this slime. And we'll be selling a similar one at the next slime convention that we will be attending. So stay tuned on the Instagram for that announcement. Bye, guys. Okay, guys, so this one is one that Chloe made, and she's like the one that came up with this idea, and it is banana taffy. It's a super good slime. It's buttery. It has gold little like star sparkles, and it comes with foam beads, which you can add in yourself. But that was like just for the slime rodeo. I don't know what we're gonna do about that. So comment down below if you think that banana taffy should have foam beads or not, because Chloe and I like don't really know for sure whether or not it should have it. But it's a super good slime. It's stretchy and it's super buttery. Like, Chloe added so much Daiso clay to this batch, and it turned out really good, and it smells just like bananas. It's a really good scent, and I really like the slime. So bye, guys. Okay, so this is the last slime, and it's one of our best-selling slimes. We almost sold out of this at Slime Rodeo. It is Sour Cherry Blast. It is scented like cherries, and it's like a clear glue jiggly slime with a bit of fake snow in it, and it's such a good texture. I love this slime, and you might be able to see something similar to this slime at the next slime convention that we're going to go to. And if you want to see what slime convention it is, make sure to follow us on Instagram at pinkflamingoslimes13 so you can figure out where we're going to be next. Bye, guys. Hey guys, thanks for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. And comment down below what you want to see in the next video. And be sure to follow us on Instagram. And we'll be posting a lot more. And the week after this this video is uploaded, I will upload the part 2 of our slime collection. So thank you guys for watching. Bye.